Hi everybody, welcome to Helsdon Outdoors. Hej allihopa, välkommen till Helsdon Outdoors. When it's cold outside or if it's raining, you want to keep the sides and the window of your Helsdon hammock closed to keep rain and cold out. But at the same time as you're keeping rain and cold out, you're also keeping moisture from your breath in. And that's why we have at the top, at the ridge line, a ventilation hole to allow moist, warm air to escape out through the windows. The bigger the hole, the more moist air can escape. So what you can do is that you can pinch the two straps together to open the hole wider. By default, you will have to put a rubber band or maybe your headlamp there to keep them open. But by adding some Velcro here, you can actually just pinch them together and they stay together to allow for more ventilation and just release when needed. Anyone can do this. It costs next to nothing and it can be done in a couple of minutes. I'll show you how. Here I am in my workshop with the curtain. This is the Velcro at the ventilation hole. It's 5 centimeters wide and it's the soft part of the Velcro. So I need 5 centimeters of the sharp part of the Velcro. Let's cut it. There, and now I want to sew it on right there. Now I have a sewing machine, so I will use it, but you can do this by hand. It's only 2 times 5 centimeters, so 10 centimeters of stitching that you need. And the other part, other side. There, all done. Now we have adjustable ventilation for our Helsdon hammock.